Chai! Chai! Chai!
Apostle, we have this.
Like somebody's
Oh my God.
Chai!
Hey, Jesus!
Now, I have like same over here. It is fast, reliable, and affordable for both children and adults. I have like same over here. What same do you want? Which one do you get? On the end 4G, 3G, 2G, 1G, and most of all, 0G. Which one do you want? I'm going to name 3G.
No, man, 3G kicho. One on so bad, well, 3G.
Oh, my God is fine. Hello. Fine.
Your call credit has been exhausted and your call terminated.
Chai! Chai!
Let me call customer care. Hello, customer care service on the line. See, I just used 1,000 recharge card like this. Before making 3 seconds call, they cut down. What's happened? The customer care service you're trying to call is not reachable at the moment. Please try again later. Thank you.
Oh my God.
You know what I need to tell you?
Ah, that is me.
What? Hey!
The customer care number you're trying to call is switched off. Try again later. Thank you. So when they use me, they play a B. Bright light sim, we are doing the cut.
I will take your sim, give my money, oh yeah.
Organo refunds, they go out, they go out. They go out, they keep
Jesus!
Hook to the leg. And lastly is King Cruz.
Hello babe, how far now?
Hello, dear.
How are you doing now?
I'm fine, good afternoon.
I saw your missed call the other time, but I was not around, so I could not reach the phone. Hope no problem.
No, no problem at all. Just that I called you, know that Valentine is such a approaching.
Okay,
And there's something I want to get for you.
okay.
I need iPhone. Because there's a lot of eye makeup. And maybe Baby, are you crying?
Baby, it's no problem, man. It's network. Network is cracking around this area. So what were you saying? You said you need them.
Are you sure?
No problem, just stop there. I will think of how to arrange the thing for you, you understand? No problem.
Okay, no problem.
Ichie Dikora and Ichie Obefi. Now that our son Emeka is dead, what are we going to do? Ichie Mazi and Ichie Obefi, we are going to carry our brother Emeka to the mortuary. After Valentine, we can bury him. That is true, but we have to inform our brother in United States about this incident. You are right! Ichie Mazi, you are right! I said it! Get me my phone! Call him. Call him. CBK, yes, uncle. Bad things have happened to us. Oh my God, what happened? Our brother Emeka is dead. Oh my God, how did it happen? He just slept together last night and we wake up and find him as a dead man. Oh, so what are you people planning to do? We are not planning anything. We want to take him to the mortuary and bury him after the Valentine. Oh, I know that money is the problem. Yes, money is the problem. Just relax. I'm going to send you $200. Understand? I'm going to send you $200. Just send the account number. Yeah. I will send it right away. So it's your baby. Go and call the youth to start digging the grave right now.
Oh my God.
My son, remember, let them not bury you. Now we are going to bury him right now.
Bury you. Who not the bury for you? Anybody die for you? Don't punish all of them now. We are the first person now for that. So you guys cannot even wait after the Valentine you bury me. You want to put me inside ground now?
So Emeka, you are not there.
Oh, I'm alive.
Amy!
Who is Amy? So you... Go punish all of them.
Emeka, so you are not dead.
Baby, come now. Baby, let's go make more Valentine.
Oh my God.
Come now.
Attention please. Due to the storming weather, our plane have refused to land in Australia. We are heading to China for safe landing.
Oh my God.
China! Pilot! You know the coronavirus there for China? Where they carry me go? Turn the plane. Turn am.
My brother, calm down. One thing must kill a man.
Pilot! As I dey like this, I never bomb, I never flex, I never blow. You want carry me go China, go kill me, or go punish you. Turn this plane. If something must kill a man, must it be coronavirus? Pussy must kill a man. In fact, don't worry, I know what to do.
My brother, calm down. It is just a prank.
People of Zimbabwe, hurry down here now and grab your own Caro White bleaching cream. We have all kinds of Caro you may need. Be it Caro White, Caro Green, Caro Yellow, and even Caro Pink. So hurry down here now and grab your own bleaching cream. I want buy Caro White. Caro White. When them the last Caro White we have, I just sold it to that little puppy dog. Right now. Oh. My man, calm down. I have another Caro that is better than Caro White. One name this is Caro Black. Caro White, they give me Caro Black. So now black, I want black, I mean a white, I want white. The opposite of black is what? White. Hope say this cream they work. One name I'm 100% sure. In fact, I give you 7 years guarantee for this cream that you are seeing soon.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Oh, my Nicky, how far now?
My day fine.
Oh my God, what they do so?
You blind? No, it's what I did.
No verse. Now I'm not doing this show now. Oh, this one. Caro Black.
Guy, in a long story, I buy the thing from Kume Junction. The guy say the cream they work.
Oh my God, my rough one now. My rough.
Chopsticks. Few hours of deep sleep.
Face, my pretty face.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Okay, what happened to you? You happened to me. If you don't fix me now, you spend the rest of your life in jail.
Oh my God.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Mama, calm down. Calm down.
Hey! Jesus!
Oh my God, I demand release. I'm on him. What's happened for here? Can you imagine this man bleaching cream? See what he do for our body. Oh my God, you know this is my face.
I'm telling you, violence is not the only solution. I have the solution.
What?
So what is the solution? Okay, tell us. Tell them. Do you need? Caro Brown.
Jesus!